Aloha guys, I'm back with a new video. So today I have Play-Doh Disney Frozen Sled Adventure. In the front it shows that we have Anna, Olaf, and Sven. I think that's how you say his name. I still have a hard time saying his name. And this is the back. So let's begin. So here's Anna and Olaf. Her dress. Let's put her back on. And Olaf. Come on, Olaf. There you go. So here are the molds, the sled, and Sven. Let's bring him out. Here he is. He's part of the sled, I think. More of the sled. Not too sure how you put it on yet. Let's put it on the side for now. So it comes with 5 Play-Doh. We have a turquoise looking one. A purple one. A orange. A big white one with glitter on top. And a pink one with glitter. Okay, so let's put the slate together. There you go. And this belongs in the back. Like that. This belongs here. Like that. So I guess when we use him, we're holding the back. And I think this spins. Yes, it does. Okay, so first, let's make Anna. So we'll bring her out first so that we can put the Play-Doh in here. Let's make her dress pink with glitter. So you put the pink Play-Doh in here. Then we squeeze down like that. Very puffy. So let's push it down like that. There you go. Let's put Anna back on. So let's make decorations now. Let's see, what should we put on her? I'm thinking of making snowflakes. But first, let's see what does the sled do. I think this is her for her hat. Let's make her hat first. Since her dress is pink, let's make her hat pink too. See how it comes out. Okay. Press it down. And there you go. Let's bring this out now. Let's see how her hat comes out. There you go. There you go. There's her hat. So let's see. Let's see what does this do. Let's make stars. Snowflake stars. Let's use white. Put it in here. Let's see what happens. There you go. And squeeze down. Wow. Wow. It comes out like that. Let's put it underneath her dress like this. There you go. So there's extra in here, so what you want to do is just grab it and put it back in the container so it doesn't dry out. So this one won't come out. I think I'll have to open it up. Here are the extras. There you go. Just put it back so it doesn't dry out. I got most of it. Yeah, looks like it. That's most of it. So let's make decorations now. Let's give her white snowflakes. Let's see. let's do this one right here. There you go. There's one. Let's make 4. Here's another. This one came out nicer. And another. My second one came out nicer. And last one. There you go. So there's Anna. So now let's make Olaf. So with Olaf, what you do is you open it up and here's his arms. Let's put white. For him since he's a snowman. But first, let's put his nose, his eyes, his hair, and his button. Let's make his nose orange, of course. There's his nose, orange. Okay, so let's make his eyes purple. So I just want to put a small little piece right there. It's getting stuck to my hands. Like that. Oh, it's not going where I want it to go. You know what? Let's try this. Let's try using his hands for assistance. There you go. Put another one there. There you go. There's another one. This side's not going in. Oops. Okay. Better than nothing. Let's make his hair. Let's see. Let's make his hair purple too. Right here. There you go. I don't know why, but the Play-Doh is like getting stuck to my fingers. There you go. Now let's add, let's see. Let's make his belly button orange. Let's go with orange. Okay, so let's put orange one right here. There you go. Another one right here. Right there. Let's try to put this one right here. Okay. So now let's add the white. There you go. Okay, so I'll squeeze maybe to add a little bit more on the back. There you go. Let's try to see how it comes out. You know what I forgot to do, guys? See if it comes out good, actually. I forgot to add his hands, so let's try adding it now. There you go. Cover it, cover it, cover it. There you go. Okay. Let's try one more time. Squeeze, squeeze. There you go. Let's grab the extra Play-Doh out. Right there. Right there. And let's bring Olaf out. See how it comes out. There's my Olaf. He looks scary. There you go. It's okay, Olaf. I have no magical powers. I tried to make you look nice though. There you go. And let's see what's Sven. Let's see what he does. So since we can roll it, let's try. I think he cuts the Play-Doh. Let's see. There you go. Let's see. Oh, and he does cut him. So you can make small lines of Play-Doh, big lines of Play-Doh. There you go. Let's put some on him. Let's make a smaller line. There you go. There you go. Let's put this back so it doesn't get dry. So here's Anna. Olaf. And Sven. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is Play-Doh's Disney Frozen Sled Adventure. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time.